So, why the noise? That sound you hear, your stomach growling, is the result of gas and liquids being moved around in your stomach and intestines by peristalsis. Your digestive system is basically churning air, fluids, and sometimes bits of leftover food. The walls of your stomach and intestines are made of muscle, and when those muscles contract, they create vibrations in the air and fluid inside. Those vibrations? That's the growling you hear. But wait, it gets more interesting. You might notice that your stomach seems louder when you're hungry. That's not your imagination. When your stomach is empty, sound travels more easily through the air and the walls of your gut. It's like the difference between banging on a full suitcase and an empty one. The empty one echoes more, right? And your body does something really cool when it thinks it's time to eat. A few hours after your last meal, your brain starts sending signals to your stomach and intestines to clean house, to get ready for the next meal.